Boys and girls, this week's flipped classroom lesson is on endings, ed and ing. Sometimes you have to drop a letter and add the ending, or double a letter to add an ending. What do we know about reading these words? We have the root word rain, and we add ed to show its past tense, rained. We have the word raining. There is the root word rain. We add ing to show present tense, raining. We did not have to change anything in any of the letters to add those particular endings. Both of these have a base word and an ending. ed means it happened in the past, and as I already stated, ing means it's happening now. Sometimes you have to follow the doubling rule. Here is the base word, shop. You add ed, but take a look closely at the word shop, and you have to double the P. You have to double the consonant to make shopped. And there we have the root word again, shop, this time adding ing for shopping. Take a close look. The P, we had to double it to add ing. Boys and girls, this is because there is a special rule in this pattern. There is a vowel and then a consonant. If you look at the root word shop before the ed, S-H-O-P, you see the O is a vowel, the P is a consonant. That is a rule. Vowel plus consonant, you have to double the consonant, hence doubling the P to add ed. Then the same applies for the next word ending. Ing, you have O, which is again the same as before, vowel, consonant is a P, you must double the consonant, that's why it is in yellow, so it can stand out, and add ing. So this is the doubling rule. Double the consonant and add your ending when you have a vowel and a consonant. The last consonant in shop, P, was doubled before the endings were added. This happens in short vowel words such as shop that end in just one consonant. If a one-syllable word ends with one vowel and one consonant, double the final consonant. The base word like. We're going to be talking about the dropping rule. Take a close look at the word like. We have the root word like plus ed. It's liked. We had to drop the E to add the ed. You wouldn't spell it L-I-K-E-E-D. And the same applies with liking. To add the ending ing to the root word like, you have to drop the E to add ing for liking. The E was dropped before these endings were added. This happens if a base word ends with E and the ending starts with a vowel. If the base word ends with a sneaky E, drop the E and add ed or ing. Boys and girls, at this time, please take out the homework sheet that you were given today in class that looks just like this chart. Your homework tonight is to complete this chart. Be careful, look at the base word, look at the correct ending in each column, and use the correct rule when necessary. You will turn this in tomorrow. We will go over it in class.